Going. Hey everybody, so I'm giving a little video on how to use these new fancy hot plates that we got, and it's really cool because if we want to control our temperature at like 80 degrees or 90 degrees Celsius, these hot plates allow us to do that, and we can set the temperature and it'll maintain it. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to do that. All right, so here we go. Let me see the phone. And so this is what they look like. Basically, you have the base unit, and this is plugged in. And you know it's plugged in because there's the little white thing. Some of them won't be plugged in. We see it's plugged in right there. Yeah. So some of them have to be plugged in. The main idea: you have the base unit. You have a little dish. And we're going to use, we need to submerge the thermometer into a liquid. And often we would use oil, but oil is a mess and difficult to clean up. So we're actually going to use this stuff called 2-to-1 glycerin water. And here's what the bottle looks like. It's a big bottle. The reason we use glycerin, which is like a trialcohol, is because its boiling point is like 290 degrees Celsius. So that's way hotter than, 290 is a higher boiling point than water, which is like 100. So the mixture just works really well for this. Okay, so let's pretend we're gonna do our experiment. We're gonna say 90 degrees Celsius, all right? Just as an example. One of my tricks is we're gonna actually set it to 80 initially, and then you can adjust it. It just works better that way. First thing we're going to do is we have some paper clips. I like the larger style. This happens to be a smaller one, but we don't have any large ones this second. The large ones work a little better. This will work though, but that's going to spin around in the liquid, and we'll see it spinning in a second. And then it distributes the heat really well. Okay. Notice that the thermometer is not inside yet. We have to put it in, but we have to add the liquid first. Okay, so Dr. Itoga's helping out, and he's going to pour. We're going to say halfway in the dish. So carefully pour it. A little more. About a little more. Yeah, great. Okay, good. If you do make a little mess, paper towel. It's non-toxic also, but we're good here. So, of course, the thermometer's got to go inside. So I'm going to lower the thermometer into the liquid. Yeah. It's got to be like not touch the bottom, but maybe a couple millimeters above. So it's not touching the glass, because otherwise the temperature reading won't be good. Yeah. Okay. So now, let's pretend we want 80 degrees Celsius. No, we'll say 90. We'll say 90, all right? But my recommendation is aim for 80 at first, and then you can adjust, because it might overshoot. And so if you do a little lower temperature, then you can change it later. All right. So to turn it on, there's a button right there. I'm going to press it. Okay, it came on. Now I'm going to first get the stirring going, which is the right side. To do that, you just press it. And you have to increase the speed. I like 200, so let's see, 200. All right, they're at 200 right now. Nice. You can see it's spinning around in there. Temperature is still 23 because it's room temp, right? We want to go up to 90, but I say we first go to 80 and then you can adjust later. So to do that, I'm going to, one more thing. When we turn on the heat, there's like two modes. There's like fast mode and precise mode. We want the precise mode. It's just more accurate. So turn it on, click. Okay, so it says fast, so I click again, click it, and now precise. Oh, that's precise mode. So it's gonna be more accurate. All right, we good? And now we're aiming for 90, but we're gonna set it to 80 first. So I just kind of increase to 80. We can adjust it to 90 later. I don't know if everybody likes to do this, but I might feel a little bit, oh, it's warming up. It's starting to heat up, and that means it's doing the right thing. If you don't feel any heat, it's not working. Anyway, that's pretty much it. It's gonna go up to 80. It might overshoot, and once it's stabilized, you can reset 88 to 90 as your target point. Hopefully that makes sense. So we'll talk to you more about this. One more thing, this is slowly heating up. It's going to take about 5 minutes. I'm going to show you another one on the other side where it's going nicely. Let's go over there real quick.
We use this one, huh?
Yeah, I'll just show this one real quick. So this one we did earlier, and it's basically 90. 88's fine. It's plus or minus 5 degrees. You can see the temperature. I can see. Oh yeah, I can adjust it, but it's definitely at 88, 90. That's all the same. This is nicely working. Okay. Let's see what other things. When you're all done, you're done with your experiment, what do you think you do? Just turn it off. Press the button, and then we're just going to leave it, and it'll just cool off. We'll do that right now, actually. So I'm done with this one. I'm going to click the button. Okay. So it also blinks to show. What does the blinking mean? Oh, it's still actually really hot. The actual metal part is 114 degrees. So it shows, it's higher because it had to maintain the bath temperature. But this just means it's a warning. Like don't go touching it because it's still really hot. And we're pretty good about just leaving this. And maybe occasionally we can change the liquid, but only when it's cold, like maybe at the beginning of the experiment, But I think for now we can probably just reuse it and stuff. I think that might be it. Any other comments? I think we got it. I think we're excited. I may change this procedure around and then I'll make a new video. But for now, I think this video is good. Well, thank you so much for listening. And we look forward to using these really fancy, cool hot plates. All right, take care.